Hey everyone, it's Jay here at the Aimless Cook, and today we're going to show you a little bit of a technique more than a recipe for the avocado rose. Now this is something that we'll do. You make something fancy like avocado toast or add to your bowls or whatever you want to do. It's all about the components. And today Sammy at the restaurant is going to show us how she does hers. So without further ado, let's go.
So the first thing we're going to do here with this avocado is we're going to slice it in half. And to do that, we're just going to run our knife along the length of it all the way around that pit and just twist it in half. Now we're only going to use a half to make the rose. So what we're going to do here is take the peel off. Now if it's ripe enough, you should be able to peel it right off with your hands, or else you can use a spoon to scoop it out carefully. Now from here, you want to thinly slice the avocado right across the width there. You want to slice it nice and thin enough so that we can start to shape the rose. Now as you can see here, Sammy's starting to space the pieces out, slide them along the cuts that she just made. And the key here is to just make a long shape that we can just start to curl in on itself, like you can see here. And then of course the goal is to make a complete circle, and that is pretty much how you do it. Now I'm just going to make some avocado toast here. It's nothing special, but we're just going to put that rose right on top of a nice piece of bread. And to that we're just going to put in a poached egg. You can use any kind of egg, fried egg too will work. And then to that I'm just going to add some Malden sea salt. Okay, here's one of my secret ingredients I like to put is tahini. And tahini basically is a Mexican ingredient. It's got chilies and dehydrated lime, and it's awesome. I put it on almost everything, but on eggs it's beautiful.
So that was the technique of making the avocado rose. I hope you take it with you, make it yours, and have fun in the kitchen. And of course, post to me and show me all of the great things that you can do with yours. Now this brings me to my question of the day. The avocado toast is one of my favorite go-to quick breakfasts. I want to know, what is yours? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. So hope to see you next time.